Hello, and welcome to the HouseRater software training series. In this video, we will teach you how to add a program into HouseRater. Programs allow you to track the verification and certification services provided on a project. To begin, click on the Company tab in the left navigation bar, then scroll down and select Programs. From the Programs window, proceed to select the plus button on the top left of your screen to begin entering a new program. From here, you will be required to enter a program name and a program workflow. All additional information is optional and can be filled in at a later time if needed. We will be reviewing each field in this training video, so let's begin by entering our program name. Next, we will enter any custom reports we want associated with this program. We don't have any, so this step can be skipped. To learn about custom reports, please watch our custom report training video. Now we can move on to add our gas and electric utilities. Our next step is to add any parent programs. Parent programs are overarching programs whose itinerary must be met in order for your new program to qualify. You can add or remove any as needed. We have no parent program in our example. Next, you can add any default HouseRater file types. These are additional checklist items, such as a rater's field checklist. We will leave this blank. Next, you can add your baseline IECC code from the pre-populated drop-down menu. Once added, you will be required to set your program workflow from the drop-down menu. This requirement is broken into internal and external programs. The internal programs are only accessible to your company, whereas the external programs are available for companies that you may be a provider for. Please see our description below for a breakdown of all program workflow types. For the purpose of this project, we will be selecting internal programs. After setting your program workflow, you will have the option to toggle the data verification requirement. When checked, it will pop up usage data so verifications can be confirmed. It is rarely used, and internal programs can leave this unchecked. Now, you can select your program type from the drop-down menu, choosing either a full rating or code compliance. Full ratings are selected anytime energy modeling is used in the program. Code compliance is selected for any prescriptive code program without energy modeling. In our example, we'll select full rating. Next, you can select your % better than code function from the drop-down menu. This will determine the end use of the % better than code calculation. You will also notice 3 checkboxes that can be toggled on or off. These should be ignored as they do not apply to most programs. Finally, you will have the option to apply your new program to any specific building companies you have in the system. Programs are assigned to specific builders, so you can select any builder participating in this program here. Now we can click Create, and you will see that the newly created program has been added to our list. Now, when we open our program, we will see that a new option has been added at the bottom that allows us to set our data validation requirements. By clicking Edit Validation Triggers, a new window will appear that displays all validations to be set within this program. Each validation can be set to meet your program's workflow and ensure your program requirements are being met. In our example, we will select our framing inspection report. You can see validations have been pre-populated, and each list will be specific to the field you've selected. You can add or remove as many validations necessary for your program. Once you've added your validations, you can begin setting their level of severity. Validation requirements can be set to capture missing information or block a user from submitting before the requirement is met. As previously mentioned, each field comes pre-populated with validations that are congruent to the topic selected. Some will have only a single validation to add when required. If you would like to learn more about program validations, please review our video on setting program validations. Once we have added all of our validation requirements and set their severities, we can simply back out and save our newly customized program. Congratulations! You can now begin creating, customizing, and setting validations for a new program. Thank you for choosing HouseRater.